Alright guys, if you're going to be hauling any trailer on the open road, you do have to have an electrical hookup for your trailer. It is required by law. Chevy did a super awesome job getting this put together for us. They've already have everything pre-wired in the back for you. It's super simple to install. You have two caps here. One is going to be for lowering your spare tire. The other one is just a cap that covers up your wiring for you. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to take this here, push it down, twist it off. Once it's out, you'll see that your wiring is all pre-connected to here. It's going to be a clip. You'll just unclip it on the top side. You'll be able to pull this out. As you can see, it is just a cover. We have this part here that we're going to be putting in. It's going to be a 7-round plug. You can pick this up at any U-Haul anywhere, uhaul.com. All you do is slide it back into this position. Make sure it clicks into place. Once you have that done, realign it back in here. And you twist it, and you're done. All right, guys, now we got the wiring installed. I just want to show you how it works. Flip it open, you got your 7-round design there. You'll be able to plug your trailer right into it. If you are hauling a boat trailer, all you have to do is grab an adapter, plug it in. You got your 4-flat for your boat. Awesome, ready to get on the river, enjoy some fun. Thanks for watching. Stop in and see us. We'll get you hauling again.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, or to schedule an installation by U-Haul Hitch Professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.